Thank you, sir.
शांभवी, can you आपका बारे में बताइए?
Yes, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग, आपका बारे में बता दीजिए. आप हिंदी में भी बोल
Good
सकते
morning, sir.
हैं.
Okay, sir.
आपको
Good
जैसे
morning,
जैसे
sir.
जैसे जैसे सुविधा ऐसा कर लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Shambhavi Srivastav. I hails from Chhapra, Saran district, Bihar. Chhapra is a district town 72 kilometers away from the capital city Patna. I have completed my schooling from Chhapra only from CBSE board in 2017 with commerce in my plus 2. After that, I went to Patna Women's College, Patna University. From there, I did my graduation in BCom Account Honors in the batch of 2017 to 2020. Together with my BCom, I was also an add-on course which was provided by my college. I did certification diploma and advanced diploma in human resource management together with my BCom. And after that, I took admission in Patliputra University, JD Women's College for my MBA. Did my MBA from there in finance specialization in the batch of 2020 to 2002. But because of COVID, my batch got 1 year late and I completed it in the year 2023. During my college time, I used to host many programs that's made my communication skill a little better. I can say good. In my college time, I used to head many projects. I was a group leader. That's helped me getting responsibility and shouldering big responsibility. Uh, we are a family of six, sir. My father, who is a government contractor, work for government of Bihar. My mother, who is a housewife, and we four siblings. One is elder to me, and two are younger to me. Thank you.
Good. What are your hobbies?
Sir, in my free time, I like exploring things on internet.
Mhm. Good. Now, uh, how many marks did you score in your MBA? What was the main and ancillary subject in MBA?
Sir, I scored 77%, and finance was my specialization.
Only one subject you studied. What was the second one?
Sir, only one was there.
Acha, very good. Because in some colleges, they give both finance and marketing, finance and HR, like that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. So, very good. That is really nice. You said your father is working
Sir.
as a contractor.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, you have studied BCom and also this one. Now, who is the governor of Bihar now?
Sir, governor of Bihar is, sir, I'm forgetting the name right now. Sorry, sir, I'm
Was
unable
there,
to
was
recall.
there was there any change in governorship or not?
No, sir.
इस बार कुछ चेंज नहीं किया ना. राजेंद्र
No,
अर्लेकर.
sir.
Is he
Yes, sir, Rajendra Alrekar.
Rajendra Arlekar? It's coming like that.
Yes, sir.
Tell me who is the
Yes.
chairman of SEBI?
Chairman of SEBI. Sir, I don't know.
Mrs. Madhabi Puri Booch.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, um, can you tell me about trading and profit and loss account? What is it? How it is framed? What is it we can know from that?
Sir, trading account is an account which is there to record all the cost related to factory. It records the cost of production and cost involved in manufacturing goods. It gives gross profit or gross loss as a result, whereas profit and loss account records all the expenditure and income which is incurred during a year. It gives the result of profit and loss account can be in the form of net profit or net loss.
Good. Can you tell me what is balance sheet?
The balance sheet is, we can say, a statement, financial statement, which provide the positional position of a business. Like it provide all the records of assets and liability that business owns. It provide where business is going and where business was doing previously.
Now, what are, supposing it is a manufacturing company, like say car मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टायर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी उनका बैलेंस शीट में वो क्या क्या आएगा कितना साइड्स बैलेंस शीट में होता है उसका अंदर में क्या क्या पॉइंट हम लोग दे रहे हैं
सर, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी के बैलेंस शीट में sides will be there, like other balance sheet, liability side and asset side. Liability side में shareholder funds, long term liabilities and short term liabilities will be there, and further sub bifurcation will also be there. In the asset side there will be current assets and long term assets, non current assets.
what is intangible asset where will it appear
Sir, intangible assets are the assets which cannot be touched or seen, like patent, goodwill. It is appear in the, if it is of long term nature, it appear in the non current asset side.
hmm. What is pledge
Sir, pledge is a charge of charge which is given against anyone, where a borrower gives some things which is movable and which has value to the lender, with a promise to take it back once the obligation is fulfilled.
no, but you should tell some example also like
Sir,
jewels
like gold.
gold jewels okay good
Yes.
very good now please tell me before granting working capital facility to a party, how will you process the papers? What are the things you will be looking into? क्या क्या रे
Sir,
क्या क्या रेशियोस आप वेरीफाई करेंगे क्या देखेंगे बैलेंस शीट से और दूसरा डॉक्यूमेंट से क्या समझाएंगे आप
sir, for assessing working capital, we'll be seeing ratios like turnover ratio, like stock turnover ratio, receivable turnover ratio. With this, we will be able to see how much capital on how much whatever capital is there employed on what kind of assets, like what is that current assets ratio, like what is the ratio of assets and liability. Then we will see quick ratio, cash ratio, and together with that, the paper that I can assess is their stock books, uh, the production process, timing of credit, receivable timing, like in how much time will be able, the company will be able to get the receivable back, debtors. So yeah, these are the things I can check.
what are the ratios you will be looking into
So the ratio will be current current ratio, like current assets by current liability. If the proportion of it is 2:1, then it will be considered good. Then quick ratio will seeing, so that I'll be able to understand how quickly company is able to convert the things into cash. Then turnover ratio will be, I'll be seeing, because uh, when I'm giving a working capital, I should know how, what is the turnover of the company. And
what are
receivable rate, like,
what are the methods used by us to decide about the limit for working capital
sir, I haven't studied this yet, actually.
why turnover method maximum permissible bank finance one and two at least these three you must study
Okay, sir.
good similarly term loan देने का पहले what is term loan
Sir, term loan is a loan which is given for a long period of time.
वो देने का पहले क्या क्या चीज हम लोग देखेंगे? मान लीजिए पहले लेट अस फर्स्ट टेक हाउसिंग लोन, उसमें क्या क्या देखेंगे बताइए।
Sir, सबसे पहले हाउसिंग लोन, if I'm giving housing loan, then I'll be seeing whether the purpose is actually valid or not. Means whether the person is actually purchasing or whatever the loan ask for, whether the person is actually doing that or not. After that, financial statements of the person, like balance sheet, so that to know what is the position of the person, and uh, score of the person, so that we can understand whether the person has taken other loan also or not, or what is the position of the person to pay the loan. So yeah, these things.
आई थिंक यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड ना।
So these two things I have left.
आपने पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का वेबसाइट में अंदर जाके क्या क्या लोन्स दे रहे हैं, उसको फीचर्स क्या है, वो क्या करने से लोन मिलेगा, ये सब देख के मन में रखना पड़ेगा।
Yes, sir.
एमएसएमई लोन के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं?
Sir, MSME is a sector uh, uh, which MSME sector mainly works for the development of the weaker section of the society. And MSME, under MSME loan, there guarantee is provided, uh, and if the loan is towards certain extent, then uh, then it comes under priority sector lending also.
हम्म।
Like if it is given to 2 crore for a single borrower, it will be under priority sector lending. If the given to MSME sector, then it is credit by it is secured by a credit guarantee corporation of India,
नो नो,
which
सी,
provide guarantee to their loan.
इट इज कवर्ड अंडर सीजीटी एमएसई।
CGTMSE, sir.
या
Yes, yes, sorry,
नॉट 2
CGTMSE.
crores, नाउ 5 crores,
Okay.
नाउ अप टू 5 crores। आई थिंक आपने पूरा पढ़ा नहीं है इसका बारे में। हमारा मटेरियल्स में जितना मिलता है उससे पूरा पढ़ लीजिए। आपने सिडबी का
Okay,
बारे
sir.
में पढ़ना है, सेबी का बारे में पढ़ना है, ईरडाई का बारे में पढ़ के मन में rखना है। ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
आरबीआई का बारे में आपको क्या जानते हैं?
Sir, RBI is an apex institution which look after all the banking which is there in the country. It provides rules and regulation for banking, and it works towards the controlling money supply in the market, in the economy.
सॉरी, योर आंसर इज नॉट कंप्लीट। योर एमबीए फाइनेंस,
Sir,
आरबीआई इज द, आप क्यों पढ़ा नहीं ये सब?
RBI is
जनरल,
Sir,
जनरल
RBI
बैंक।
is a lender of RBI uh, is a lender of last resort. They provide guidelines for the bank to lend or to deposit money. RBI RBI prepares monetary policy for keeping a controlled money supply in the market. RBI is a banker to bank and banker to government also. It provide help to government also, and for to bank also.
2 points you omitted. RBI is the note issuing authority. RBI is the foreign
Yes,
exchange controlling authority. ये सब बोलना है। ठीक है।
yes, sir.
Who is your education minister?
Sir, he is. Um, uh,
Who
so
is
sorry, I'm having to.
who is the minister of education in India? Union minister.
Union Minister, sir, Dharmendra Pradhan.
Correct. Good. Correct बोला। Good. प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस ये किस तरह में आएगा? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में आएगा और ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में आएगा और बैलेंस शीट में आएगा, किस स्टाइल में आएगा? प्रीपेड
Sir,
एक्सपेंस।
prepaid expenses is a asset for the company.
Yeah, it will be
Comes under
it will be current assets. Current assets.
current assets.
Good.
It will come under balance sheet.
Yeah. What is amortization?
Sir, amortization is like a kind of reserve which we create priorly before for some unforeseen or for some future transaction.
No, wrong, wrong. Please, आपने पढ़ना पड़ेगा amortization का बारे में. It has got something to do with intangible assets and all. उसका बारे में पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir.
Depreciation का मतलब क्या है?
So depreciation is in the value of fixed assets. When we buy any fixed assets, it's decrease its value yearly every year. So a company charge company keeps certain amount in reserve for for coping up with whatever value the asset has decreased.
No, ये तो reserve में नहीं रखेगा. What is the double entry for book, journal entry for depreciation?
So depreciation goes in profit and loss account in expenses category.
Credit कहाँ पर जाएगा?
Depreciation account debit to fixed against the asset for which it has charged.
Correct. Journal entry बताओ.
Depreciation account debit to assets,
Debit to?
fixed assets,
Very good.
the
I,
asset for which it has been charged.
clearly बोलना है. Correct. Good.
Yes,
ये
yes,
सही
sir.
बता दिया. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir.
Good. And today some difficult questions came. Mm, Can you tell me some news relating to Olympic?
Sir, in Olympic, Dinesh Phogat, she was competing wrestling. She could not get selected, which was kind of heartbreak for India. And she has tweeted that she'll be retiring. She not again will be participating in an Olympic. So that is a kind of heartbreak for the country.
How many medals India has won so far?
Sir, till the time was I saw it was three, I guess.
No, no, 4 plus 1. Hockey में bronze and
Bronze, yes, yes.
hockey में bronze and other 4 are coming in shooting. Okay,
Okay,
very good.
okay.
You have managed your questions nicely. Do you have any questions in mind?
Sir, how was my interview? Like,
Okay, okay, not
I
bad, but बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. I can't give 9 out of 10. I will give you 8 out of 10.
okay, sir.
So थोड़ा थोड़ा आपने पढ़ा नहीं है. You are not prepared for credit and basics of accounting and all. अब ज्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. पढ़ के जाना है. को तो समय है.
Okay, sir.
Please make use of the
Yes, sir.
time and prepare. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir.